Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of internet and networking terminologies. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, understanding these terms is essential in our digital age. The internet connects billions of devices worldwide, enabling communication, information sharing, and countless services. Networking is the backbone that allows these devices to interact seamlessly. In this video, we'll break down the most common terms you'll encounter, making complex ideas simple and easy to grasp. Let's start our journey by exploring the basics of what makes the internet work and why networking is so important in our everyday lives. Network is simply a group of two or more devices connected together to share resources and information. Think of it as a web that links computers, smartphones, printers, and other devices so they can communicate. Networks can be as small as two computers in a home or as large as millions of devices across the globe. The internet itself is the largest network, connecting countless smaller networks. Understanding what a network is helps us see how information travels from one place to another, making everything from emails to streaming videos possible. Networks come in different sizes and types. Two of the most common are LAN and WAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network, which connects devices within a small area like a home, office, or school. WAN stands for Wide Area Network, which covers a much larger area, often connecting multiple LANs across cities, countries, or even continents. The internet is a massive WAN. Knowing the difference helps you understand how your devices connect locally and globally. Every device on a network needs a unique identifier, and that's where the IP address comes in. IP stands for Internet Protocol. An IP address is a series of numbers separated by dots, like 192.168.1.1, that identifies each device on a network. It's like a postal address for your computer or phone, making sure information gets to the right place. Without IP addresses, devices wouldn't know where to send or receive data. Remembering long strings of numbers for every website would be impossible. That's why we have the Domain Name System, or DNS. DNS translates easy-to-remember website names like www.example.com into IP addresses that computers use to find each other. It's like a phone book for the internet, making it much simpler for us to browse and connect to websites without memorizing numbers. Router is a device that directs data traffic between your local network and the internet. Think of it as a traffic director, making sure information gets to the right device in your home or office. Routers assign local IP addresses and manage the flow of data, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Without routers, our devices wouldn't be able to communicate with each other or access the wider internet. Switches and hubs are devices used to connect multiple devices within a network. A hub simply broadcasts data to all devices, while a switch is smarter, sending data only to the intended device. Switches are more efficient and secure, making them the preferred choice in modern networks. Both play a key role in expanding and managing local networks, especially in offices and larger homes. Modem is the device that connects your local network to your internet service provider, ISP. It converts digital data from your devices into signals that can travel over phone lines, cable, or fiber optics. Without a modem, your home or office network wouldn't be able to access the internet. Modems and routers often work together, with the modem handling the connection to your ISP and the router managing your local network. Bandwidth refers to the maximum amount of data that can be transmitted over a network in a given time, usually measured in megabits per second, Mbps. Speed is how fast data travels from one point to another. Higher bandwidth than speed means smoother streaming, faster downloads, and better online experiences. Understanding these terms helps you choose the right internet plan and troubleshoot slow connection. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices to connect to a network wirelessly using radio waves. It's what lets you browse the internet on your phone or laptop without plugging in a cable. Wi-Fi has become a standard feature in homes, offices, and public spaces, making it easy to stay connected wherever you go. The strength and range of your Wi-Fi depend on your router and environment. Ethernet is the most common wired networking technology. It uses cables to connect devices directly to a network, providing fast and reliable connections. Ethernet is often used in offices or for devices that need stable, high-speed internet like gaming consoles or desktop computers. While Wi-Fi offers convenience, Ethernet is preferred for tasks that require consistent performance. Firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between your network and potential threats from the internet. Firewalls can be hardware devices or software programs, and they're essential for protecting your data and devices from hackers and malware. Keeping your firewall active is a key step in staying safe online. Internet Service Provider, or ISP, is the company that gives you access to the internet. ISPs connect your home or business to the wider internet, offering different plans based on speed, bandwidth, and price. Choosing the right ISP can make a big difference in your online experience, affecting everything from streaming quality to download speeds. Server is a powerful computer that stores, manages, and delivers data to other devices on a network. Servers host websites, store files, and run applications that users access remotely. Whenever you visit a website or use a cloud service, you're interacting with a server somewhere in the world. Servers are the backbone of the internet, making online services possible. Client is any device that connects to a server to request and receive data. Your computer, smartphone, or tablet acts as a client when you browse the web, check email, or stream videos. The client-server model is fundamental to how the internet works, with clients making requests and servers responding with the needed information. Protocols are sets of rules that define how data is transmitted over a network. They ensure that devices can communicate clearly and efficiently, even if they're made by different manufacturers. Common protocols include TCP/IP, HTTP, and FTP, Without protocols, the internet would be a chaotic place where devices couldn't understand each other. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation of data communication on the web. HTTPS is the secure version, with the C standing for secure. HTTPS encrypts data between your browser and the server, protecting your information from eavesdroppers. Always look for HTTPS when entering sensitive information online. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is used to transfer files between computers over a network. It's commonly used for uploading website files to a server or downloading large files from the internet. FTP clients and servers work together to move data efficiently and securely, making it a vital tool for web developers and IT professionals. URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, is the address you type into your browser to visit a website. It tells your browser exactly where to find the resource you're looking for, whether it's a web page, image, or video. URLs are a key part of navigating the internet, making it easy to access information with just a few clicks. Browser is a software application that lets you access and view websites on the internet. Popular browsers include Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Browsers interpret web code and display it as text, images, and videos, making the internet user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Cloud computing refers to storing and accessing data and applications over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive are examples of cloud computing. This technology allows you to access your files from anywhere, collaborate with others, and keep your data safe and backed up. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It hides your IP address and protects your data from hackers, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. VPNs are popular for privacy, security, and accessing content that may be restricted in certain regions. Malware is malicious software designed to harm or exploit devices and networks. Antivirus programs detect and remove malware, protecting your data and privacy. Keeping your antivirus software up to date is crucial for staying safe online, as new threats emerge constantly. Cookies are small pieces of data stored by websites on your device. They help websites remember your preferences, login information, and browsing activity. While cookies make browsing more convenient, they can also be used to track your online behavior. Managing your cookie settings helps balance convenience and privacy. Phishing is a type of online scam where attackers trick you into giving away personal information like passwords or credit card numbers. These scams often come in the form of fake emails or websites that look legitimate. Being cautious and verifying sources helps protect you from phishing attacks. Spam refers to unwanted or unsolicited messages, usually sent in bulk. Most commonly, spam appears in your email inbox, but it can also show up as text messages or social media posts. Spam can be annoying and sometimes dangerous, as it may contain links to malware or phishing sites. Using spam filters helps keep your inbox clean and safe. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are websites and apps that allow people to connect, share content, and communicate. These platforms have become central to how we interact online, shaping everything from news to entertainment. Understanding social media is key to navigating the modern internet landscape. Streaming is the process of playing audio or video content directly from the internet without downloading it first. Services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube use streaming technology to deliver media instantly. Streaming relies on fast internet connections and has changed how we consume entertainment and information online. Downloading means transferring data from the internet to your device, like saving a photo or document. Uploading is the opposite, sending data from your device to the internet, such as posting a video or sharing a file. Both are essential for interacting with online services and sharing information. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo help you find information on the internet. By typing keywords or questions, you can quickly access websites, images, videos, and more. Search engines use complex algorithms to deliver the most relevant results, making it easier to navigate the vast amount of information online. Email, or electronic mail, is a method of exchanging messages over the internet. It's one of the oldest and most widely used forms of online communication. Emails can include text, images, and attachments, making them versatile for personal and professional use. Understanding how email works is fundamental to digital literacy. An attachment is a file sent along with an email message. Attachments can be documents, images, videos, or other types of files. They make it easy to share information and collaborate with others, but it's important to be cautious and only open attachments from trusted sources to avoid malware. Forum is an online platform where people can post messages, ask questions, and discuss topics. Forums are organized by categories and threads, making it easy to find and participate in conversations about specific interests. They're valuable resources for learning, problem-solving, and connecting with communities online. A blog is a website or section of a website where individuals or groups regularly post articles, stories, or updates. Blogs can cover any topic from personal experiences to professional advice. They're a popular way to share ideas, build audiences, and express creativity online. Podcast is a series of audio episodes available online for streaming or download. Podcasts cover a wide range of topics from news and education to entertainment and storytelling. They're a convenient way to consume content on the go using your smartphone or computer. Webinar is a seminar or presentation conducted over the internet. Webinars allow people to attend lectures, workshops, or training sessions from anywhere in the world. They often include interactive features like Q&A, polls, and chat, making learning and collaboration easy and accessible. E-commerce refers to buying and selling goods or services over the internet. Online stores like Amazon and eBay have transformed how we shop, offering convenience, variety, and global access. E-commerce platforms handle everything from product listings to secure payments and delivery tracking. SSL certificate is a digital certificate that encrypts data between your browser and a website, ensuring secure communication. Websites with SSL display a padlock icon and use HTTPS in their address. SSL certificates are essential for protecting sensitive information like passwords and payment details online. DNS server is a specialized computer that translates domain names into IP addresses. When you type a website address into your browser, the DNS server finds the correct IP address so your device can connect to the site. Fast and reliable DNS servers help ensure smooth browsing experiences. Ping is a network utility used to test the connection between two devices. It sends a small packet of data and measures how long it takes to get a response. Ping helps diagnose network issues like slow connections or dropped packets, making it a valuable tool for troubleshooting. MAC address, or Media Access Control Address, is a unique identifier assigned to network interfaces for communications on the physical network. Unlike IP addresses, MAC addresses are fixed to the hardware and help manage device access within local networks. They're essential for network security and device management. Gateway is a device that connects different networks, acting as an entry and exit point for data. In most homes, the router serves as the gateway between your local network and the internet. Gateways translate data formats and manage traffic, ensuring smooth communication between networks. Network topology refers to the arrangement of devices and connections in a network. Common topologies include star, ring, bus, and mesh. The topology affects how data travels, network performance, and how easy it is to expand or troubleshoot the network. Choosing the right topology is important for efficient networking. Network adapter is a hardware component that allows a device to connect to a network. It can be built-in or external, using wired Ethernet or wireless Wi-Fi connections. Network adapters are essential for enabling communication between devices and accessing network resources. We've covered a wide range of internet and networking terminologies, from basic concepts like networks and IP addresses to advanced topics like VPNs and network topology. Understanding these terms helps you navigate the digital world with confidence, troubleshoot issues, and make informed decisions about your online activities. As technology evolves, staying updated on new terms and trends will keep you ahead. Thanks for joining this journey into the language of the internet.